today, as an analytics firm, really we teach organizations how to manage the massive amounts of data that marketing has to deal with, and really how to measure marketing at its core. And marketers have become data gatherers to try and piece together a story of what works and what doesn't work. And really my message was around how to get out of the data gathering business and get back to the decision-making business through a data strategy that we teach. It's so important because virtually every organization is spending millions of dollars in the marketing space. And the challenge is that, do we ultimately know, does it work? And how well does it work? And ultimately, a part of my talk today is, if I give you $1 million, how do I know that that's actually going to get me more customers? And so it's so incredibly important because today the fiscal responsibility that organizations have has never been greater. And so understanding how to leverage data to make better decisions has never been more important. We actually have 3 takeaways that I shared today. One is understanding your customer's decision journey, and really that's about auditing all of the touch points that you create in the marketplace. So from TV, radio, print, to display, to paid search, you name it, all the things that you're investing dollars in, understand how that overlays to how you would make a decision to buy your product. And then have a plan to actually bring all of this data together into one single platform, which is really what our business does really, really well. We have a platform that does this for organizations. And then create dashboards that tell a story. So, use data visualization tools to get out of the data gathering business once you have it all collected and cleaned up to make better marketing decisions. Visit us at www.alight.analytics.com, or you can follow me on Twitter @Matt Hurtig. You can contact me that way.